everyone! Welcome to Tinagong Dagat. Nag-aantay kami ng isdang lumangoy kasi walang pagkain sa lugar na to. But anyway, hello everyone! I hope you're seeing the beautiful view. When you come here, only 50 pesos. 50 pesos for you to enjoy this scenic view, scenic area.